Hey kids! Welcome to our super fun color show. This is a red car. This is an orange car. This is a yellow car. This is a green car. This is a blue car. This is a purple car. This is a pink car. This is a brown car. This is a black car. This is a white car. We did it, kids! We learned about 10 amazing colors today. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, black, and white. Thanks for joining me on this colorful journey. Don't forget to hit the like button if you had fun, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.